Of all the water on Earth, 97% is saltwater and 2% is trapped in glaciers. This leaves less than 1% as freshwater for our cooking, cleaning, bathing, agriculture, and industrial uses. Public water users receive water transported to them through a public water supply system. County-owned public water systems deliver to thousands of customers throughout Calvert. Minimize increases to your regular water and sewer bill with the following water conservation tips. Number 1. Subtraction meters. For some public water and sewer customers, exterior water consumption is a large part of your bill. For yard enthusiasts, master gardeners, or pool owners, a subtraction meter installed by a licensed plumber can lower your water bill by negating the sewer charge for water used, since water used outdoors will not enter the sanitary sewer system. A cost-to-benefit analysis is recommended prior to installing a subtraction meter on any existing build. Number 2. Highly efficient appliances. 75% of indoor water use happens in the bathroom. The average toilet uses 4 gallons per flush. Modern ultra-low flush toilets use 2 gallons per flush. If you're not ready to throw out the old throne, an affordable way to minimize gallons per flush is to install a toilet tank bank or DIY one yourself. For a couple dollars, this simple addition reduces nearly 1 gallon per flush and can be added to virtually any residential toilet. Number 3. Use hose last. Use a broom or blower to clean driveways and sidewalks before using your hose. Brushing with a broom to first loosen the dirt and grime will decrease your water usage and save you money. Number 4. Shower power. A 4-minute shower uses approximately 20 to 40 gallons of water. When you add in showers for other family members, the dishwasher, the washing machine, maybe a hot tub or pool, and the average public water user can blow past the 18,000 gallons per quarter EDU allocation. Consider installing water-saving shower heads and trying to keep your showers short. Number 5. Rain barrels and native landscaping. According to the Environmental Protection Agency, rain barrels are an effective way to save up to 1,300 gallons of fresh water per year. They're stored outside, come in various colors and sizes, and are great resources for cutting down on water usage for your garden and landscaping. Speaking of landscaping, consider minimizing grass turf and using native drought-resistant plants to make a water-conscious statement in your yard. Number 6. Water only when. Consider watering your grass or garden in the evening. This simple choice minimizes evaporation and maximizes absorption, like tucking in your plants before bedtime. Number 7. Education and community. Conduct a water usage audit by checking for leaks and studying your usage trends. The most important step you can take to reduce water usage is to share information like this video with your family, friends, and community. Together, we can manage our water and sewer resources to ensure a future water supply for generations to come.